Hello everybody. Welcome to our third video on how to add a banknote. This is part 3. Today we'll be working on the same banknote that we were working on for the past 2 videos. I'm going to scroll down, it's right here, 500 South Sudanese pound 2024. It's still in pending approval, which is normal. So in today's video, I'm going to try and fill out the rest of the information that's missing. So we'll walk you through that process. I'll click on the edit banknote right here, and then we'll work our way down to the optional fields right there. So we'll start off with the series. This is the 2024 series. If the series wasn't there, we'd create a new record. The printer is De La Rue. The width, based on the information I have, and height are as follow. We're using millimeters here. We have the option to use inches, but I think out of the 27,000 banknotes we have on the site, I don't think any of them really use inches. If there was a withdraw date or a demonetized date, we'd fill this out. In terms of the next stuff that we're going to fill out, we'll look at the watermark. So I prepared the information for the watermark. So I'll just copy paste that. And then the security thread as well. So I have this information ready as well. In terms of the prefixes, the only image that I have of this note has the prefix BW. So what I'm doing here is I'm writing 3 dots, which means that I don't know if there's any prefixes in front of BW, and then I'm putting 3 dots at the end because I don't know if there are any prefixes after BW. So for now, we'll put in BW, and as we expand and learn more, and as we see more and more of these notes come to market, we'll be able to readjust the prefix value. In terms of the rest of information, in terms of variety, I'd leave that empty because there's only one, so we wouldn't be putting anything in there. If there were something to come out, another note to come out in the near future with, let's say, a different date or a signature or both, I would do something like this to explain to the user that it's the date and the signature that makes this variety different than the other, right? You could add some keywords if you want to, or YouTube video, none of which I have right now. So I think we'll go with this. We'll submit and exit. And now what you see is, you'll see that the banknote is now no longer just in Sudan, but it's actually under this series here, which is perfect. And you could see that it's still pending approval. So as an administrator later on today, I'll go in and I'll approve it. But you can see that now there's information available for the users. And I think that's it. So basically it's very simple to add banknotes. I hope this was useful for you. I hope you've enjoyed this. And again, if you got any questions, comments, please just let us know in the comments. We'll try and answer as soon as we can. But I hope this was helpful in understanding how we add notes to the database. So again, thank you very much. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.